If you're someone who has a difficulty writing a no or a declining email to your clients, this video is for you. If you're from a client servicing background, we guys need to say a no to the clients on a day-to-day basis. It might be in a simple situation where the client is asking you for doing a video call or get on a meeting, or it might be a difficult situation where the client is asking you to build something which is out of the SOW, that is scope of work. Or it might be something where the client is giving too many revisions, which is again not covered in the cost, and you want to say that this would be charged extra. Well, today I'm going to tell you about a website which gives you 31 templates which are absolutely free. Fukat, you can go ahead and start using these particular templates. The reason I thought of making this particular video is because of the fellow client servicing people that would be watching this particular video. Without any delay, I'm going to start this video and take it to my laptop screen. First things first, if you're new to the channel or watching this video for the first time, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon besides that. This way I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a new video, and that is quite often. Just a quick tip, you can double press the bell icon and get personalized notifications based on the topics and interests you watch on YouTube from this channel. Alright, so here we are on the desktop screen. I'm gonna share the link for this particular website in the video description. You can go ahead and start looking for that over there. Coming to the templates, it has 31 templates which can be directly synced into your email. Like you can either just go ahead and copy this thing, or you can just add this template to your Gmail directly. Depending on the situation that you are into, there are a lot of responses. For example, as I said, how do you say no to doing free work? So there is like a detailed email which is written over here. Thank you so much for getting in touch. It is so flattering that blah 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 blah. So it's basically saying no to the clients in a polite manner. There are situations like how to say no to a meeting. Thanks for sending that meeting invite. Unfortunately, I am not able to attend because of prior scheduling. Again, the blah 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 situation goes. So basically this is like a lifesaver if you want to just draft a quick declining email or saying a no wala email to your clients. Also, it gives you this filters based on the situations you are into. You can just click on them, and if you want to deal with the interviews, there are two templates given here. There are for meetings, there are given templates over here. How to say no to a meeting, which we already saw. How to say no to a written interview. How to say no to picking your brain. How to say no because you need to create something, maybe a software or an application or a website, designing, whatever. Just how to say a no because you need to create. So this is gonna give you like a vague thing, and you can customize the email, of course, as per your requirement. That's about it. It's pretty much what I wanted to tell you. There is an option for salespeople as well. I don't know why it's given for dating, but that's quite weird to say no, like having templates for emails for dating. But however, so I just wanted to show this particular website. I thought it would be really helpful because it has helped me a lot of times to draft the emails. Sometimes it's good to actually just copy paste the things and put it the way it is, just putting few alterations to that. Do let me know anyway in the comment section if you like this video or if you found this particular tool helpful. I'm sure if you're from client servicing background, it would be like a lifesaver for you right now. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, you can go ahead and start binging on the playlists section. Thank you.